After 2 months of anticipation, the AI community's whale, DeepSeek, has finally unveiled DeepSeek V4. This isn't just another upgrade. It's a leap that shakes the foundations of open-source large language models. But what makes this release so extraordinary? Stick around, because in this video, you'll discover groundbreaking innovations that could redefine AI efficiency and affordability forever. DeepSeek V4 arrives with 2 new models, DeepSeek V4 Pro and Flash, plus a 58-page technical report packed with revolutionary ideas. Despite some critics pointing out it ranks third behind Kimi K 2.6 and Mimo V 2.5 Pro, DeepSeek V4's true triumph lies elsewhere. Its unmatched cost efficiency and novel attention mechanisms that no other lab has dared to tackle. Why does DeepSeek's model cost a fraction of competitors while maintaining near state-of-the-art performance? Let's unpack the secret sauce. DeepSeek's API pricing is slashed by 75%, with input tokens costing just 43 cents 5 per million and outputs 87 cents, far cheaper than Gemini 3.1 Pro or Opus 4.6. Yet the company is likely still making a healthy profit margin, which is almost unheard of in this industry. How? Through ingenious engineering that squeezes every ounce of efficiency out of their architecture. How can they deliver such a massive 1 million token context window without breaking the bank? The answer lies in their novel attention mechanisms. DeepSeek V4 introduces 2 new attention mechanisms: compressed sparse attention, CSA, and heavily compressed attention, HCA. Imagine compressing every 4 tokens into 1 learned memory entry, or even compressing 128 tokens into 1.
How does this efficiency affect real-world usage and benchmarks? Let's explore. DeepSeek V4 Pro is the largest open-source model ever, boasting 1.6 trillion parameters and trained on an unprecedented 33 trillion tokens. They use manifold constraint hyperconnections, MHC, to boost representational capacity, and a new optimizer called Muon for faster, more stable training. The Flash model offers a cheaper, smaller alternative, but delivers comparable reasoning with enough compute budget. What about fine-tuning and deployment? How can developers harness this power without the usual headaches? The challenge with fine-tuning large models? Infrastructure nightmares, GPU provisioning, job failures, tricky configs. Enter Crucial. Their serverless fine-tuning platform lets you customize open models like DeepSeek V4 effortlessly, with token-based pricing and no GPU wrangling. Upload your data, launch jobs with a few lines of code, and get your raw weights back to deploy anywhere. How does DeepSeek V4's approach to specialization and RL differ from other LLMs? The answer might surprise you. Instead of training one giant model to do everything, DeepSeek V4 creates specialist versions optimized for math, coding, agents, and instruction following. Then, through on-policy distillation, they merge these experts into a unified model. This avoids conflicting reinforcement learning objectives and results in a cleaner, more balanced final model. What does this mean for the future of AI benchmarks and real-world applications? Let's talk results. DeepSeek V4 Pro Max tops many open-source benchmarks, beating previous leaders on reasoning, coding, and long context tasks. It even surpasses some closed models on academic long context benchmarks. However, it admits a slight gap behind the very latest closed models like GPT 5.4 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Still, its cost-performance ratio is unmatched. Why does this breakthrough matter beyond just benchmarks? Here's the bigger picture. DeepSeek V4 isn't just about raw power. It's about making advanced AI affordable, accessible, and scalable. If you want to dive deeper into the technical magic behind these innovations or explore fine-tuning options with Crucial, check the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch my next deep dive into the infrastructure powering this AI revolution. See you next time.